This is OPPO A77 and today I would like to show how you can check your mobile phone number on this device. So to start, you will need to open Settings. The first method to see your phone number is to go for Mobile Network category, and below the SIM1 and SIM2 names respectively, you can also find the, phone number that the SIM card has. There's also another way. It is more complicated, much longer, but still, I will show you. I will show this way to you, so enter the About Device category this time, and from here go for Status. Then SIM card status, and in here you can also see the phone number 1 and phone number 2 respectively. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.